We've all been there. You open TikTok for just 5 minutes to see what's new. You blink and suddenly it's tomorrow. Your phone is at 2% and you now have a strong opinion on how to properly season a cast iron skillet. How does it do that? How does it know it be fascinated by a potter in rural Japan, a lawyer explaining celebrity lawsuits, and a golden retriever that can talk? It's not psychic, it's just a surprisingly clever AI. This is how TikTok reads your mind. The magic all happens on the For You page. Now, if you are used to older social media, you are thinking about your friends' posts and the accounts you follow. TikTok is different. It's less about who you know and more about what the algorithm thinks you love. It's a personalized firehouse of content, and its one and only job is to get you right. To build your perfect feed, the algorithm pays attention to everything. It tracks the obvious stuff, your likes, shares, and comments, but there's more. Watch time. Did you stick around for the whole thing? The algorithm loves that. Completion rate. Finishing a video is a huge thumbs up. Rewatch time. Did you let it loop? Swipe speed. How fast you swipe away from a video is just as important. It tells the AI, nope, not for me. It even analyzes the video itself, the sounds, the text on the screen, the objects in the frame, to build this incredibly detailed map of your tastes. Within a few hours of you using the app, it starts to figure out what you really like, even more than you do. So, how does it use all those notes to get so smart so fast? It uses AI with reinforcement learning. Basically, the AI is constantly running a little experiment with you as the star player. The AI shows you a video. If you watch it all the way through, the AI gets a reward point and learns, okay, more of that. If you swipe away instantly, it gets a punishment and learns, got it, less of that. This is where it gets a little spooky. It sees the tiny things, like did your thumbs pause for just a split second over a video before you decide to swipe? The AI sees that hesitation, it logs it, it learns from every single micro interaction to predict the next perfect video that will keep you scrolling. Now that the AI knows you, it taps into your brain's natural reward system. Every time a video hits just right, makes you laugh, teaches you something, or makes you feel seen, your brain releases a little bit of dopamine. That's the feel-good chemical. But here is the secret ingredient. It doesn't give you a perfect video every single time. It uses a variable reward schedule. It mixes in the amazing 10 out of 10 videos with some that are just meh. It's the exact same principle that makes slot machines so compelling. You never know if the next swipe will be the big one. That unpredictability is what keeps you engaged. The AI is your personal slot machine designer, programming the game just for you. And it leads to serious problems. First, focus. When our brains get used to those 15 seconds dopamine snacks, it can make it feel like a real chore to focus on longer things, like reading a book or even watching a full movie without reaching for our phones. Second, the filter bubble. When the algorithm only shows you things it knows you like, your world can start to feel a little bit smaller. If all you ever see are videos about why dogs are the best pets, you might start to think everyone agrees. But no. This can create echo chambers where different opinions don't get through, which is how misinformation can get a foothold. This can also be a real problem for mental health, especially if the algorithm picks up on an insecurity and keeps showing you content that makes it worse. At the end of the day, TikTok is a tool designed to do one thing exceptionally well: keep you watching. It's not designed to be good or bad. The AI that powers it is fascinating, it's not evil. We just need to make sure we are the ones on the driver's seat. What's the most surprisingly specific thing the algorithm has figured out about you? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this interesting, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.